Alright, so like in the last stream, this is what we got working. It's gonna be like an autoencoder at some point, but presently it's just a basic densely connected neural net. And this is the weights. I should probably turn off night light. Yeah. So yeah, so we have, like in the neural net, it just has like 8 units in a hidden layer. And we're visualizing each of those units by its output on over a batch. So this is like a 5 by 5, so it's like a batch of 25 inputs. And each individual unit is, you know, so it's displaying its output on the batch. And so in this stream, we just want to make the animation work. Let's see, yeah, so the idea for the animation is randomly initialize weights. And select a batch, and then, you know, for the batch that we selected, we're going to run the batch through the neural net, updating the activations, display that, and then update the weights for the current batch using gradient descent. So, okay, so yeah, so we need this part, which is we need to draw the weights. So we're gonna implement drawing the weights, which hopefully will not be too difficult. And then yeah, and then like set up this entire animation loop. And that should be the whole stream. So like we should be able to do that, you know, in like 15 minutes max. So yeah, this is gonna be kind of annoying because we're just like we're hard coding the layers. So like if you have a neural net with like more layers, then it's not gonna work, but that's fine. So this is creating. Also, yeah, I need to like separate creating the canvases from drawing to the canvases. I mean, that's annoying. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, so this is the canvases associated with layer 1. And we need to do that. Hopefully this will change nothing. And say L1 canvases push the canvas. And then down here, we want to say let canvas equal L1 canvases I. And we already set this information, so we don't need that. Okay, so that should have changed nothing. Oh, it broke. L1 canvases I. Okay, we're back. Okay, so this creates the canvases. This is draw to canvas. Okay, so let's also create the weights for layer 1. Yeah, so the weights are going to be annoying. So we have 8 units in layer 1, and they are taking inputs of image size times image size, which is 16 squared, which is like way too big. So no, that's fine though. So I'll just display the weights as a 16 by 16 canvas. Right? Definitely. Definitely. So, yeah. It just needs to be... Why did that say... Oh, that was batch size. Yeah. Is that batch size? Screw to batch size. Okay. Image size. Pixels. Image size. And so... Okay. And then... Okay, so then we want to get the weights. Which I don't actually know how you do that. So... Can I go over here and... Whoa, no. God. Okay, can I like access L1? What did I call it? Or, yeah. Does L1 exist? No. That's because this isn't loading. Can I comment that out? Okay. So, L1 weights? Oh. Do you just say weights? Or get weights? What's the difference? $256 by 8. Yeah, that's what it should be. So, okay, so I need to say L1 weights equals L1 dot get weights, and I think I need to say erasing. And yeah, so then output whatever that says. xdiv has already been declared. Yeah, I know. Jeez. ArraySync is not a function. Isn't it though? How's that? Do you not call that? Oh. And this is the bias, yeah. So I need to say, I need to select 0, then ArraySync, I think. Yeah. Although it puts them in a weird way. So, all right, so we have the weights, and then we need to display them on the canvases. So, I'm gonna get the weights div from the HTML, which I called weights. So that's cool. And now it's like, it's organizing them. So it's 25 by 8. Oh, I forgot what I said the dimension was supposed to be. Yeah, this might not be the right. Okay, let me see what the actual shape is. Okay, so I'm gonna check out the actual shape, and it is 256 by 8. And yeah. Yeah, so like, I mean, there's 8 units, and each is receiving from 256 incoming units. So, yeah, but like, when I did the ArraySync, it seems like it killed that. Because it's like 256 by 8, so then here, is that 250? Okay. 256. Yeah, so like we have to like, yeah, okay, that should be okay actually. So, okay, so we need to get the weight 1 canvases, and, alright, weight 1 canvas, of which there are 8, and then each canvas is going to be 16 by 16, and, oh my god, I'm already on the wrong one, jeez. Is that all I... Okay. Alright, so we need that one. Going through 8 of them. canvas L1, or what did I call it? Weight 1 canvases. Yeah, okay. And then they're going to be 16 by 16. And we're going to look in the weights. And, yeah, column 16, and then the ith. Is that gonna work? Because this is, no, I feel like I should go in the first. $250s. No. Okay, yeah, I think that's correct. Okay, so I think we're good. Do I ever actually access the weights div? Yes, we're good. Look at that. So these are the weights, and these are the activations for each of the 8 units in the first hidden layer. And okay, so I think I'm going to try to do the animation loop. So that shouldn't be too hard. And I'm going to like reuse code from this. Yeah. So I'm just going to reuse this function. Although, yeah, like it's going to have to be async because the TensorFlow training step is async. So that's actually going to be very annoying because you're going to have to like call it. Okay, alright, so I can delete all of this. This is all deleted. This is all deleted. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So, I'm hoping I won't have to pass any variables, because I'm just using global variables. So, yeah, I don't actually have like a supervised, like, so I just have this image data, and I mean, it's an autoencoder, so I guess we'll just have it, yeah, train as an autoencoder. So we'll just say like the output layer is, how big are these images? Image size by image size. Image size by image size, and then we'll do a reshape back to the two-dimensional. So image size by image size, and so that should work. And so for the actual animation loop, why is this like this? Oh, that needs to be here. So, okay, so the animation loop, right now we're doing a training step. And update activations, update weights. Well, I mean, yeah, you can update the weights first, and then you just, oh yeah, and then you draw. Okay. All right, so we'll update the weights first. So that's what this is. Except we don't have train X, we have images. Yeah, we have images, so that's, right, so like it's 15 images, 2 images, and 1 epoch, and I guess batch size is like 25, just like the full, I think that's how many images do we have? Batch size 25, yeah. I'll make that say batch size. Batch size. And also this is just called neural net, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I think my internet dropped, but that's fine. Alright, so this is update weights, and then recompute activations, which is just neural net on the, or I think it's, you have to say predict. Or actually, you have to say layer 1. Create canvases, draw to canvas. Yeah, you do that. Yeah. So, we'll literally just copy paste this. Both of these, actually. Recompute activations, draw, acts, and weights. That should do that. Okay, now it just seems like it's gonna work. Oh yeah, I didn't call the, you have to like call the function. Animate training. I don't know if this is gonna work though, because this is async and I forgot, I don't know how async works, so we're just gonna call it blind and see what happens. It doesn't like it. Wait, running 128. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't need that. Let's also make this slower, like 200. Last frame is not defined at 128. Oh, yeah. Good point. Yeah. Okay, I don't see anything happening. Why is this printing so much? Oh yeah. Yeah, don't print. Okay, so I mean, it seems like it's animating, but nothing is visible. Quicker learning rate. Can I make this, well, mean squared error. I can't tell it's doing anything. Like, I mean, it's printing, but it doesn't look like it's doing anything. We do need to fix like the color map, but I'm not gonna worry about that. Train more? I mean, this doesn't look like it's doing anything. So... I mean, it does draw them within the animation loop. But no animation is visible. Zoom in. Alright, let's really see if we can see some animation happening here. No. Make it faster frame rate. Let's print the error. And then I'm gonna quit. Yeah, how do you get the error amount? Loss. Point. Okay. So, yeah, how do I do that? Like h dot array sync loss? Or is that Python? I don't know. No, it doesn't like that. Oh my god. Alright, what is h? It's a tensor, is it not? I think that's a tensor, but whatever. History. 435, 434, 435, 434, 434, 433. Okay, maybe it trains all in like the first epoch. Or, yeah, I mean, it's just not, there's not a big loss for some reason, which I have no idea why. So, I'll worry about that later. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for whoever left a like, thumbs up. Later.